This is the ASSA Desmo 8 slider version. It's got slide rails on each side that are different bitting. Notice that there's a notch about halfway down the key, and when we look down the keyway, it's open. About halfway down there, two T-pins will come out once the sidebars are depressed, and that acts as a key retaining feature. We can move the sliders in any position, and the key is shaped so that it'll move all the sliders back down the slide. So now we're going to get to picking. We're going to use a 35 thousandths windshield wiper insert, and we're going to ante that up there, and we're going to use an old Chinese hook, just a small short hook, and stiff 25 thousandths. We're going to start in the back and touch. We're looking for binding sliders, and so we want to use a right amount of tension to feel the binding sliders and let them move. Now I almost forgot, I like to add a washable marker line, and this helps me gauge the sets, how deep a false set we have, or if we have all true gates and the sidebar is set, or maybe a mix in between. So we're feeling for those binders, and I'm going to move the last one up high, and I'm going to set the third one to the first gate, and I'm going to try to get some tension on 2 and 1. Those two don't want to go though until we're in a false set, and so we've got to jiggle these sliders to get them into their gates, whether it's true or false. Once we get that false set, then 1 and 2 start feeling a little more stiff. So we're going to knock 3 again, and that's going to let us into a false set there. Very small one. There it is. Okay. So we're doing a jiggle test, and we're lightly dancing the bottom of the slider to feel whether it's in its true gate or its false gate. Now I've picked this Desmo a couple of times, so my gauge of true and false gate at this point is a little more memory. So once we got a good deep false set and we feel that those are true gates, we're going to move to the slider on the other side. What'll happen is that the tension will be too great for some of the biggest binders, and they'll fall into false gates and get locked up. So you've got to ease up on tension, and I'll move a slider that's binding but not bound in between gates, and that'll let up just enough tension to let the other sliders pop out. So once we get those back sliders to pop out, we'll be able to try to get them into their true gate. Yeah, I'm still lightening up tension. Okay, we're moving 2 up. There we go, and we're open. Alright, so now when we look down the keyway, we can see the two retaining T-pins blocking the light there, about halfway down. We'll try to get another view where you see it, but those guys pop out. So if your tension bar's in the way of those, you're not going to get an open. You're going to be preventing the sidebar from setting, completely setting. But you can see it there about halfway down. Alright, so now we're going to do our disassembly.